ever throw the football far enough?
I know, we need some help.
Hey, I'm here to help.
We're going to teach you the physics and fundamentals of football. Do you even know anything about football?
No, not at all.
Well, there's two opposing teams with 11 players each on the field. Time of play is 60 minutes divided into 4 segments or quarters. Both teams take turns being offense or defense. If the offensive team carries the football into the opposing team's end zone, it's a touchdown.
After scoring a touchdown, the team has a chance to score an extra point or a 2-point conversion. What's your problem?
Well, the ball doesn't go far enough.
In order for the ball to go farther, you must apply more force on the ball, change the angle that the ball is being thrown at, and change the direction the top of the ball is facing so it becomes more aerodynamic.
Do you even know, ma'am? Do you even know physics? What?
Since we know the distance between Gabby and Maddie is 4.9 meters and the ball is in the air for 0.6 seconds, we can solve for the velocity on the x side. If we use the formula d equals vit plus half at squared, the acceleration is 0 meters per second squared, so it cancels out. Since the distance is 4.9 meters and the time is 0.6 seconds, vi will equal 8.17 meters per second. Since we have the velocity, we can now figure out the velocity for a projectile launched at an angle. Velocity on the x side will be velocity cosine 45. 8.17 cosine 45 equals 5.78 meters per second.
The velocity on the y side will be velocity sine 45. 8.17 sine 45 equals 5.78 meters per second, as well because at 45 degrees the projectile goes the farthest. Now we can solve for the time on the y side and double it in order to get the time on the x side. After that, we can solve for the distance. The distance on the y side is 3.4 meters and the distance on the x side is 6.81 meters because the time increased.
If you throw the ball sideways, it will not reduce the air moving past. If you throw the football with the tip facing forwards, it will move more aerodynamic.
We must use the equation F is equal to ma. Since the mass of the football is 0.43 kilograms and the force that is being applied to it is 10 newtons, you can find the object's acceleration, which is equal to 23.3 meters per second squared.
If the force that is being applied to the football is 15 newtons and the mass is still 0.43 kilograms, the object's acceleration will be 34.9 meters per second squared. This shows that increasing the force on the ball will increase its acceleration, making it go farther. Thanks! Now I know how to throw the ball correctly.